This woman burps 30 times a minute. Because of her condition, she can't breathe properly and always has to keep her mouth open. For 6 years, she hasn't been able to eat comfortably or swallow. If she closes her mouth, she constantly feels nauseous and ends up vomiting. When she tries to speak, she's forced to burp continuously. At night, she suffers from constant pain and can never sleep. Her husband is heartbroken and often cries over her condition. They had previously seen doctors, but no diagnosis was made. Specialists come to investigate, but the woman is in so much pain that she has to be taken to the hospital immediately. When the doctor examines her, they find no physical issue in her body. Why is this woman experiencing such symptoms? When they return home, her pain intensifies and she begins to cry. Her husband takes her back to the emergency room where they examine her under a special light. To their surprise, the woman stops burping for 5 full minutes. The doctor asks her the reason, and she explains that during the COVID pandemic, she lost all her investments and savings, which caused her to fall ill. They realize the issue is psychological. With therapy, the woman recovers and no longer burps.